Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you fix Windows 11 low audio. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing this step, find out a playing audio. Now run the playing audio. After completing that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After doing this step, find out expand the sound, video and gaming controller, select a display audio, right click and update driver, click search automatic driver, select a search for update driver on Windows Update, and any updates is pending, then download and install in your PC. So in my case is downloading will be started and it's required for a few minutes to complete this process. After downloading and installing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After that, select a sound, video and game controller, select a display audio, right click on update driver, and click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from list available driver on my computer, select a version, and after that click on next to continue. After that, close it. After doing this step, close it. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After doing this test, select a sound and video controller, select a display audio driver, right click and click on uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box in this search type a mmsys.cpl. After that, open it, select speakers, click on set as default, go to your properties, and after doing this tab, go to your enhancement tab and make sure that disable all sound effects must checked it. So check the disable all sound effects. After doing this tab, go to your advanced options, and one by one check check it and test if your anyone so which you use suitable and best for performance, then select it and click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a regedit, open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening that, select a HKey local machine and expand. Select a HKey local machine and expand it. After that, select a system and expand it. After that, select a control set 001 and expand it. After that, select a control and expand it. After doing this step, find out a Bluetooth. Select a Bluetooth and expand it. Select a audio and expand it. After doing this step, select a AVRCP and expand it. Select a CT, and after doing this step, open a disable absolute volume, open it and make sure that change the value data 0 to 1. Click on OK button, close it, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.